Hello guys! Welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So ito yung reading natin for fire sign Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Take only what resonates. Bali hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. So kunin mo lang yung mga messages na magre-resonate para sa'yo. Kung hindi ka pa nakaka-subscribe sa channel, pahit na lang na subscribe button, notification bell. Ma-appreciate ko po lahat ng likes, comments, and share. Start na po natin ang reading. Yung comment guys, kahit po heart lang, malaking bagay sa akin yan ha. Nagpapakita yun ng malaking suporta. So sana po ay wag nyo po naman akong pagdamutan sa comment. Kahit comment lang na ano po. Nagpapakita kasi yun talaga ng pagmamahal sa akin. Nagagalak po akong mag-reading sa inyo kapag nakikita ko maraming sumusuporta. So start na natin. This is for the sign of fire sign Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Ayan. You do have here the 5 of swords. Pasensyaan mo na lang kung medyo nagagalaw siya pag sinashuffle ko yung card. King of Pentacles. Ayan. This is your main energy. Bottom of the deck is the Knight of Pentacles. So, nakikita natin na pwedeng sa ngayon parang wala kang munang pakialam sa past. Or pwedeng may pakialam ka pero hindi ka na masyadong affected. You know what I mean? With the King of Pentacles, pwedeng nagpo-focus ka sa stability, growth mo, money mo, finances mo, ganyan. This is love reading by the way ha. With the Knight of Pentacles, I feel like may mga offers para sa'yo. Or may mga, kung hindi pa naibibigay yung offer, may mga nakakakita ng potential na parang, parang kung I see this as investors or clients and they see a potential on you na pwede ka nilang pagkatiwalaan or kung mag-invest sila, you know, if this has something to do with business, sa'yo nila gusto ibigay or gustong i-offer ito. And, yeah. So, if you're currently working or you do have a business, medyo favorable to kasi nakukuha mo yung trust ng ibang tao. So, actually, the advice for you is, they judge you sa the way you handle yourself, yung itsura mo, pwedeng kung sa social media yung career mo, maganda kung medyo professional talaga yung maybe profile picture. Nakakatulong yan para mag-gain ng trust mula dito sa mga taong to. So, yeah. Kung hindi mo pa nagagawa yon, maybe you should try, no, na palitan yung social media mo, yung profile pic mo, gawin mong mas professional. Lalo na kung yung business mo or yung career mo nga is kailangan mo ng tiwala ng ibang tao. Kasi they judge you dun sa pagkakaunang impression or tingin pa lang nila sa'yo. Okay? And also at the same time, if in person naman, ganun din, you should, dressed nice or, I don't know, hindi ko naman sinabing bonggahan mo, but some of you, no, depende sa client na imimit mo. So, kailangan mo ring, ipakita sa kanila na parang at least man lang hindi ka magmukhang parang kawawa, 'di ba? Alam mo 'yun. Yan. Maybe even wearing gold. Regardless kung tunay or hindi. Pwede makatulong sa 'yon. I don't know. Yun yung nakikita nating pinaka-advice sa iyo dito, which is weird, no? Kasi ang ganda ng energy mo. Parang ikaw talagang may class na talaga. Pero, ayun nga. Maganda yung yung nakuha kong energy dito. Hindi siya yung usual ko na nakukuhang energy. Maybe kasi ang thinking mo, medyo mature talaga. Maybe, ang focus mo talaga is not regarding love, but rather regarding career. At saka kung paano i-develop yung finances mo. Yeah, you do have here the 8 of Wands and the Ace of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. The Hierophant is at the bottom of the deck. Someone na very traditional, gusto niya mag-offer ng something sa'yo. Maybe a new beginning. This person wants to offer you something. Alam mo, yung iba hindi to love reading, guys, ha. Hindi to love reading. Ewan ko kung kung yung iba kasi may halong pera din eh. So pwedeng love reading, pero take only what resonates. Itong person na to with the 8 of Wands, yan, yung iba family member or maybe someone, maybe a friend, ganyan. Nakakita talaga ng opportunity sa iyo tong taong to. The Hierophant is here. And the 6 of Wands. Some of you, this is a person in the past. Past na parang gustong bumalik and maybe yung iba sa inyo pwedeng minsan na siyang nag-try na mag-open up sa'yo regarding this new beginning or minsan na nagkaroon ng new beginning sa inyo in the past. So, gusto niya ng another new beginning or another maybe another chance para sa iba or another trial. Ganon. Yeah. Kasi gusto niya umalis sa situation. I feel like nasa isang situation siya wherein hindi siya happy. Yan. Pwedeng nag-iisip siya na baka maging mas better kung sa'yo. Ganyan. Baka maging mas better kung sa'yo ako mag-invest. Maybe if this has something to do with money, pwedeng yung current business niya or yung current work niya, hindi siya masaya doon. Hindi siya satisfied doon. And also at the same time, pwedeng yung kita niya doon is sakto lang sa kung ano yung pangangailangan niya. And maybe this person wants more. No? Wants more. Yan, yung iba sa inyo, maybe you're a businessman, businesswoman, basta nasa professional ang field mo. And may, or maybe, yun nga, may mga clients. If this is a client, this client wants to talk to you para mag-invest sa'yo or what. Anyway, let's get more messages for you. You do have the Emperor and the 7 of Swords. Page of Wands is here and the 2 of Cups. Oh, yeah, okay. You do have the 10 of Swords is at the bottom of the deck. So, actually, itong sa part na ito, doon tayo muna sa love-related, no? Kasi may iba talaga, may halong love itong money na ito na usapin. The Emperor, the moment that you focus on yourself, focus on building something na pwedeng makakapagpa-grow sa pa sa'yo lalo, 'di ba? The moment na nag-focus ka dito sa sarili mo, sa mga tao sa paligid mo at sa sarili mong empire, sabihin na natin ganon, you mind your own business. At the moment na lumayo ka dito sa person na to at hindi ka masyadong nagbigay sa kanya, hindi ka masyadong nag-effort sa kanya, yun yung moment na parang gustong makipag-communicate at connect nitong person na to. Kasi na-realize niya, I want to end something, no? And want to build something with you. Okay? Dahil maaring yung partnership or kung ano man itong new beginning na ito na parang gusto niya talagang gawin sa inyo or sa'yo, hindi niya maibigay because of situation na, you know, I just saw the 8 of Swords a while ago. So, ngayon, ito na yung 10 of Swords. So, maybe he or she is stuck sa situation, tapos ngayon, parang gusto niya nang i-end kasi ang gusto talaga niya is yung partnership with you. Okay, the moment na hinayaan mo siya, especially with the 5 of Swords, this is you na parang hinayaan mo na lang siya. Ngayon, yeah. Pagdating naman doon sa wala namang love na related dito, okay, yung ano lang, career lang. Etong person na ito, nakikita niya na pareho kayo ng point of view. Pareho kayo ng pananaw, way ng pag-iisip, and maybe nakikita niya yung ideas mo, na napakamakulay yung ideas mo, magaling yung mga ideas mo, and then maybe siya, naiisip niya na I can put your ideas into action, okay? Or vice versa. Pwede namang siya yung may ideas, tas nakikita niya, ikaw yung kayang maglagay ng mga ideas niya na yon sa action or into reality. Okay? So, itong person na to, gusto niya talaga ng partnership. Okay? Meron nga lang nag-i-stop sa kanya. Or may situation siya ngayon na hindi niya pa alam kung paano i-end. Or wala siyang magawa regarding dito sa bagay na ito. But gusto niya ng partnership with you. Yeah. Naiisip niya na yung mga gagawain or kung paano gagawain yung partnership na yun. But, let's get the future reading for you. Earth sign, future reading for you. Two of Swords, Six of Cups. You do have here the Ten of Swords, the Three of Pentacles. Okay. In the future, nakakita tayo dito ng ending with the Ten of Swords. Ngayon, kasi ang gusto ng person na ito is growth. 'Di ba? Gusto ko ng mas dumami or gumanda. More on finances. Sabi ko nga, kahit may connection kayo sa love or wala, gusto niya ng growth pagdating sa pera. The Eight of Swords, I feel like magagawa niya ng paraan na makaalis doon sa situation or matapos kung ano man itong nagpapahirap sa kanya. Like, maybe medyo magiging, magkakaroon ng way, no? Para makaalis siya doon. Okay? The energy here is not completely makakaalis dahil might be nandun pa rin yung nagiging sagabal doon sa ideas niya or sa action niya or whatever. But I can see a way, no? Magkakaroon ng way para kahit paano maging mas madali. Hindi katulad dati na medyo mahirap talaga yung connection sa inyong dalawa. The Six of Cups, this person is going to, nakikita natin yung pag-o-offer niya sa'yo, pagbibigay niya ng something sa'yo. And I feel like this person is going to message you. And dito sa Two of Swords na ito, maybe in the future may decision kang kailangan gawin. Okay? There's a reconciliation happening in the future. Three of Cups. Ito naman, sa iba, kung wala namang love na involved, yung Three of Cups could be celebration, could be pag-uusap, could be meeting na magiging maganda yung resulta niya, magiging masaya. And there's finances or career or blessings or this would be a success. Itong reconciliation na ito, itong pagtatandem ninyong dalawa nitong person na ito, this would be a success. Okay? Kasi, especially kung itong person na ito is your friend, may friendly energy, whether sa love or sa business partnership, or kung ito ay client, whatever, lalo na kung ang connection mo sa kanya is that you are both friends. Kasi pag magkaibigan kayo, wala yung ilangan nandun yung nagiging open kayo sa kung ano yung mga gusto nyong talakayin, especially kung ang usapin ay pera. No? Wala yung ilang, wala yung hiya, etc. So, ito maganda itong outcome for you. So, anyway, thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.